Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will share with you one powerful AI tool that will surely come in handy. So without any further ado, let's hop into it. Alright, open your browser and head over to openai.com. Scroll down and click on ChatGPT. Now click on Try ChatGPT. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up or just log in. Once you are here, you can give commands in the form of text. Starting with a simple question. And here's the detailed answer. Now let's say you want to write a blog post on something and you don't know much about the blog post you're writing, then get the help of this AI tool. It will provide you with detailed information. Let's say you want a bit shorter blog post, just give the command and you'll get the information right away. Not only that, this AI can help you write a lib application. Just give the commands and you'll have your lib later in a few seconds. As you can see here, it's really simple and easy. Another best feature of this AI tool is that this can help you write a code in a very simple manner. Just give your command and that's it. AI will do the rest for you. Another cool thing about this AI tool is that this can even help you find an error in your code and guide you to solve that problem. As you can see here, this AI tool is suggesting to change detail to details to fix this error. It can also help you create a WordPress plugin. Just provide the details and it will give you the instructions along with the code. This AI can even write code to build your website. The next feature is, if you want a summary of books, then just give the command and wait for a few seconds. It will provide you with a good synopsis with all the required information. And obviously you can do a lot more with this AI tool, but I'm only covering a few highlighted features, so try it for yourself and let me know which one is your favorite. If you end up enjoying this video, then make sure to drop a like, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe for more awesome content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.